Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, August 24th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a $42,000 day. Can you believe that? Yeah, we needed that. And this is the first really top-notch trading day that we've had in longer than I can remember. So I am really happy. I said yesterday, almost felt like the worm had turned yesterday. Everything seemed to be going pretty much the way we would expect it to go. And we had follow through today, and yeah, it was just really, really good. Um, okay, you're looking at the Dow here. You would think that on a big day like this for us that the Dow would do something. The Dow didn't do anything. It just kind of drifted sideways. It actually was up here with about 2 hours to go. I don't know, maybe 100 points or so. But it pulled back toward the end, officially closed up 31 points. But nothing at all exciting there with the Dow. We came in with 24 positions, and you know how bad that would be if everything started going south. But I had a real good feeling about it because we had good profits yesterday on the close. The aftermarket was good. The pre-market was good. And yeah, we finally got out of those 24 positions with over $20,000 in profit. Now, we did see pullback the last 30 minutes of our holding those trades, and that was a little frustrating. When it opened up this morning, it was over 30,000, so basically pulled back $10,000. But we had $20,000 in open trade yesterday, and at least we didn't give that back. What I've been seeing is where we get $20,000 profit on the close yesterday, and then we close out maybe $5,000 the next day. We held our profit, and that's good. So I'm not going to complain too loud about those 24 positions and how they came out. And then we got into 18 one holdover, 17 new positions, one holdover. So with 18 positions, we were positive 7, negative 11, but we are holding positive over $21,000 in open trade. And we have a couple really big trades, and I will show those to you next. And I think I'll show those to you right now. As a matter of fact, let's look at the first one. And these are both the Reddit stocks. These are AMC and GME. They're the ones that they like to talk about a lot on Reddit, and they gang up on the hedge funds managers, and they drive these stocks higher and higher. And as a result, these have been some of our biggest money makers this year. Anyway, you're looking at AMC, and that is AMC Entertainment. And we had a trade, we got into a trade yesterday, second hour, and we got out of that this morning at the usual time with $2,500 in profit, and then it pulled back, and then it started building again here, and we got re-entered with about 2 hours to go, and right after we got re-entered, it just exploded. And we are where it closed there, we have $7,000 in profit. It was probably up to close to $10,000 up there on top, but nevertheless, if you take 7,000 and add it to 2,500, that's getting close to $10,000 total on both trades that we did something with today in AMC. So that's looking real good. And then I will show you the next one. This is the other Reddit stock, and this is GameStop, GME. Man, that it's closed at 210 today. This thing started at below $10. When we started getting hits on this thing, it was like $6.50 or something like this. And I'm not predicting this, but there are people saying that GameStop's going to go to 1,000, and that's hard to believe. But and people say, well, the company's not worth that, and they're worth anywhere near that. But I would argue, hey, bitcoins aren't worth anything either, at least intrinsically. But yet people are making fortunes in Bitcoin. So don't believe that GameStop could not go to 1,000. But that is not my prediction. But we had great trades today. We got out of a trade yesterday. I don't know, honestly, I don't know what we got out of there with. But then we got re-entered on it. And then we got out of that re-entry trade. Today pops up, but then it pulls back. So that looks like another sucking pullback trade. And we took $2,000 out of that right here. But then it turned around and started up again, and we re-entered it right away. So that's real good. So we really didn't miss much of this move. And then it just exploded after we got into it. And this thing up here on top was probably about $17,000, maybe $18,000. It did pull back, but we have $14,500 on the close in GameStop. And this thing could go anywhere tomorrow. I'm not saying it will, but it could. This is powered by the Reddit boys, and believe me, those moves have been just incredible when you get on the right side of them. So anyway, Trader Bob is happy. Our $42,000 day went really well today, and I'm looking forward to seeing maybe some real profits from here on out. We just got to see. Anyway, signing off. See you tomorrow on Wednesday.